Hello, football lovers. I greet you all. If it is your first time here on this channel, Injection Football TV, make sure you don't leave without hitting subscribe button and the notification so you're notified next time I drop the video. So please like. So when you data updated you today's date. Now I believe it's a matter of time before Chiefs turns the corner. Napi said, it's not about confidence, but the process is a signify process designed in steps, said Napi in the press conference that was held at Nedbank Cup head quarterfinal in Sentence on Thursday. And when you understand or when you see where you are and what you need for the future. For example, when you have the assimilations of the modern game and players have assimilated everything about your idea, then it's just about time to get where you want to be. Teams like Kaizer Chiefs sometimes get into tough spaces. Let's say that gets ill, but they never die. It's just a matter of time before they wake up. So, if you are new here on this channel, Injection Football TV, make sure you don't leave without hitting subscribe button and the notification so you notify next time I drop the video. And please rewrite your thoughts on the comment section.